Hello everyone, I welcome you all for 6 days ISTE approved short-term training program on e-learning content. My name is Professor Ambarish R. Bhuyar. I am working at Sipna College of Engineering and Technology in Department of Information Technology. This is first session of day 3. In previous session, we have seen how to record videos on desktop using OBS Studio, how to edit, remove noise and compress videos which are recorded on desktop. Today on day 3 we have two sessions. In first session we will see how to download AZ Recorder in Android device for recording videos. Then we will see how to configure AZ Recorder for recording videos. Then we will see how to record videos using AZ Recorder and more option in it. And in second session, which will be carried out by Professor Aniket Singh R. Thakur, we will learn how to edit recorded videos on Android device, how to remove noise from recorded videos using Android device, and how to compress recorded videos using Android device. Key features of using AZ Recorder. AZ Recorder is a free screen recorder with audio to record screen live stream in high quality. User can record screen and resource person image simultaneously using front or rear camera of device. It is reviewed by more than 1 million users and downloaded by 15 million users over the globe. The advantage of using AZ Recorder is you can record videos without watermark. For demonstration, I am using device running on Android 8. Prerequisite of downloading AZ Recorder. The prerequisites are: you should have an Android device. It should be well connected to internet through mobile data or Wi-Fi. It should have enough free space in device to install AZ Recorder, and you should be registered with Play Store. To install AZ Recorder, we will search for Play Store on our device. We will open Play Store. Inside Play Store, on search bar, we will search for AZ Screen Recorder. We will search it. Now you can see that the AZ Screen Recorder installation window is open. On the right hand side, you can see a green button named Install. We will click on this Install button. Now your installation will begin. Now, depending on the speed of your internet, the installation will start. The software is of 16.58 MB and it is now being installed. Now once the AZ Screen Recorder is installed on your device, you can see that the installed button is now turned up to open. You can open AZ Screen Recorder directly by clicking on open button. Otherwise, you can go back and again search for AZ Recorder. You can see that the AZ screen recorder icon is displayed on your Android device. In this way, you can install AZ screen recorder which can be used to record videos on your Android device. I hope this tutorial will help you to install AZ screen recorder on your Android device. Thank you. Have a good day.